Good morning from Plettenberg Bay and the African Array Backpackers Lodge. It is about 4:45 in the morning and I am up again to shoot sunrise. Got this amazing vantage point from a sort of deck lookout that the Backpackers Lodge is built on a cliff overlooking the water reserve, and it makes for a perfect vantage point on the ROBBERG Peninsula, which is way back there, sun rising just behind it, and that's where we're going today. This video is all about hiking the ROBBERG Peninsula in Plettenberg Bay, South Africa. Let's go. And that's it for the sunrise shoot this morning here at the African Array Backpackers Lodge. Very, very nice to be able to get up at 4:30 and just sort of walk less than 2 minutes to this platform that they've built overlooking the water reservoir. Perfect spot to take some good landscape photos and get the drone up in the air. So that overall was a really nice shoot this morning. Now, if you guys don't know, Nelly and I work as content creators, mostly based out of Europe, but throughout the last 2.5 months in Africa, we've been sort of contacting different businesses and brands and trying to connect to have a exchange of services to be able to get free accommodation and save us some money while traveling. Also free activities. So here at the African Array Backpackers Lodge, I was in touch with the owner, Vicky, and she watches the videos here on YouTube and offered to host us for a few nights while we're here in Plettenberg Bay. So big shout out to Vicky and to any of you guys who are watching this. If you are travel photographers or landscape photographers or video creators, be sure to reach out to local businesses in your area within travel and tourism or within whatever sector or industry you work in, because a lot of these businesses are looking for good content. You know, they need video footage, they need good photos to update their media kits, update their websites, their social platforms. So all that stuff you can produce, and they're willing to give you things in exchange. You know, oftentimes their services or even money. That's when it becomes a business. So that is my small business in Europe, which is where I make most of the money. But here in Africa, we've just been doing it for exchange of services to try and save Nelly and I some money, because in this industry you really don't make a lot. Anyway, that's me rambling on for the reason that we're here and why I took those shots this morning, because I know that they're going to use those on their website. And it's time now to get some coffee and some work done. I want to get caught up on emails. It's about 5:30, so I've got a few hours of productivity ahead of me, and then we're going to go to the ROBBERG Peninsula to do the hike, and we'll talk more about that when we get there.
Morning. And it's finally time to go. We're going to hike the ROBBERG Peninsula right now.
Bye bye. Have a great day.
Hello sir, good morning. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Thank you.
So we are at the entrance to the ROBBERG Park. It is a peninsula just outside of Plettenberg Bay, and we just paid how much to get in?
100 Rand, which is
100 Rand for 2 people, like so it's 50 each.
$7, yeah.
€7 equivalent, more or less, which is so much better than the Tsitsikamma. We paid 235 each like 2 days ago, and just 50 now. And we're all set.
Perfect. Good to go.
Map of the peninsula. It's time to go. The ROBBERG Peninsula lies only 8 kilometers south of Plettenberg Bay. It's easily reachable in your own car or in a shared taxi. The peninsula itself is a nature reserve and a marine protected area offering stunning views and great spots for amazing landscape photography. There are 3 hiking trails available on the ROBBERG Peninsula. The first one is easy at only 2 kilometers, the moderate one is about 6 kilometers, and the difficult one, or the more challenging, is 11-kilometer round trip. We are about halfway through the hike here on the ROBBERG Peninsula. It's a bit windy, the waves are wild, the sun is out, and it is an absolutely beautiful place.
What a beautiful nature reserve, really. There's a photo around every corner, and there's 3 different hikes, so you can choose from the easy one to the difficult one. So it's really a great way to spend the day here.
In Plettenberg Bay. Let's keep exploring. We still got a beach to check out here, and then head back to the parking lot.
Yeah, let's go.
And we're back at the spot. So it is almost sunset here at the African Array Backpackers Lodge, which means it's time to go back out to that terrace where I shot sunrise to hopefully get some really good light. And the crew is all here making dinner. Looks good. Say hello. Oh, you're really dark. Probably should have watched the light. But yeah, let's go check out the light down at this terrace.
I was about to remind you of the sun down there because you said you're gonna shoot it.
Whoa! Fire, fire, fire! That's awesome. So good. Look at this. Giant bonfire, epic views. Time to get set up and shoot some sunset. We are not missing the sunset. Got Quanner here to remind me that sunset is happening in about 20 minutes, so thank you for that, dude.
Cool, man.
He's been pretty stoked on the videos. He's seen the channel and has been liking what we've been doing here in South Africa. Also got Nelly Winter here, who has come down.
Featuring Nelly Winter.
Featuring Nelly Winter and Quanner. Come down to see the sunset as well. We got about 20 minutes before it dips down, so it's time to get the drone up in the air. What do you think?
Yeah, man. Can't wait to see the video because of this beauty over here. What can I say? Yeah, man.
And the sun is about to set, and what a great way to end this video here at the Plettenberg Day.
Yeah, with the ROBBERG Peninsula hike today, that was fantastic. Really, really beautiful location. And if people are coming up the Garden Route, or if you're in the northern part of the Western Cape Province, be sure to stop here.
Absolutely. Next up for us is Wilderness. We're going further towards Cape Town and continuing our journey along the Garden Route.
Yeah, there's a place on the Garden Route called Wilderness. Can you believe that? That's our next stop. So excited to explore that and share it all with you here on the channel. So as always, thank you so much for watching.
We hope you like this video.
We'll see you on the next one.
Bye bye.